Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I'm going to show you what is the price of jute. You can see there are a lot of jute. There are a lot of load van. And you can see there are a lot of farmer and businessmen here. So inshallah. And first of all I want to say many thanks to those who watched my video on Apple. So thank you very much. So let's go. Inshallah. And if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and comments. So at the time, I will ask farmer and businessmen what is the price of the jute today. So let's go. So you can see this is a big businessman. So at the time, I will ask him. So what is the price of today? Jute. তো আজকের দাম কি যাচ্ছে পাটটা?
আজকে 1110 20 1150 এর উপরে হবে
5000 up 5100 up. Okay.
50 টাকা
5150 টাকা. Okay. Thank you very much.
Now very happy.
Very happy.
Yes.
Everyone happy.
No problem.
Okay. Thank you very much. Everyone, businessman and farmer, always happy, and they are laughing. And farmer especially are buying the suit and happy. Mashallah. And there are a lot of business. Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much. Hello. You can see this is my friend, and his name is Rokibul Islam Rokib, and he's a YouTuber. Hello viewers, and he is my uncle, and especially he has a YouTube channel. And how many YouTube channel do you have? তোমার কয়টা চ্যানেল আছে?
আমার দুইটা চ্যানেল আছে।
First channel name is please?
SMTV4M
SMTV4M, and other channel? Kishi Bajar. Oh my God, agriculture. Well, thank you very much. So he's my uncle, and he's as well as diver, and especially he's a YouTuber. So very nice. So now I'm going to show you highest price and lowest price today. So let's go. Already I heard many people said high price 5,200 up and 5,250. And lowest price 5,000 already I saw. So mashallah. So really I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English to speak. Please, if I mistake any word and any sentence, please teach me and help me. And please channel subscribe my channel. So all the best. Bye. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.